Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0793 indicates there is no signal from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. This sensor is crucial as it determines the speed of the continuously variable transmission, CVT, by measuring the rotation speed of the drive pulley. If the speed is at or below a specified threshold, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, identifies an issue and sets the DTC. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor is generally located near the drive pulley assembly, making it accessible for inspection. In cases where this fault arises, it becomes imperative to accurately diagnose the sensor's functionality and check the circuits related to it. Knowing the vehicle's system can lead to efficient troubleshooting and repairs. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor plays a pivotal role in the operation of the CVT by measuring the rotation speed of the drive pulley. This information is transmitted to the TCM, which uses it to manage transmission behavior effectively. When the sensor fails or sends an erroneous signal, the TCM sets DTC P0793 as it interprets this as a potential malfunction in the transmission assembly. The sensor is typically located in proximity to the drive pulley assembly, which makes it essential for accurate performance. Other components, such as the circuit that connects the sensor to the TCM, also influence its functioning. Thus, a complete inspection includes both the sensor and the surrounding circuitry to ascertain proper functionality. Several possible causes exist for DTC P0793. The first is a faulty CVT drive pulley speed sensor itself, which may be unable to measure the rotation speed accurately or at all. Next, external circuit issues, such as broken wires or corroded connectors, could prevent proper communication between the sensor and the TCM. The third potential cause is a malfunctioning TCM that may not interpret the signals correctly. Each of these causes will necessitate distinct diagnostic steps and careful inspection to isolate the fault. Correct identification of the problem is vital for effective repair, ensuring that the CVT system functions as expected. Accurate diagnosis leads to reduced downtime and increased vehicle reliability. The symptoms associated with DTC P0793 may manifest as unusual transmission behavior. Drivers may experience delays in shifting gears, where the transmission fails to engage smoothly. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit erratic acceleration that directly correlates with abnormal signals from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. Warning lights on the dashboard may also activate, alerting the driver to a problem within the transmission system. Such symptoms not only compromise driving comfort, but can also lead to further issues if left unresolved. Recognizing these early signs can facilitate timely intervention, thereby preventing more severe complications related to the CVT system. Conducting a thorough diagnostic will help identify the root cause of these symptoms effectively. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0793 involves properly raising the vehicle, ensuring it is securely supported on a lift. This safety measure is crucial as it allows free rotation of all four wheels during the diagnostic process. Once elevated, the next step is to start the engine, enabling the vehicle to begin normal operations. It is important to disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system at this stage. The VSA may interfere with the tests conducted during the troubleshooting process by applying braking or altering throttle response. Following these steps prepares the vehicle to undergo further checks, ensuring accurate readings can be captured from the CVT system and related components. In the second step of troubleshooting, the goal is to run the vehicle while maintaining a speed of over 19 miles per hour or 30 kilometers per hour for a minimum of 30 seconds. Achieving this speed is vital as it allows the TCM to gather necessary data regarding the CVT drive pulley speed sensor's performance. The TCM will evaluate whether the sensor is functioning correctly under operational conditions. After maintaining the specified speed for the required time, it is essential to decelerate and bring the wheels to a complete stop. This controlled approach tests the sensor's ability to respond accurately during varying speed conditions, laying the groundwork for subsequent diagnostic assessments. The third troubleshooting step requires disconnecting the CVT drive pulley speed sensor's 3P connector to facilitate a direct inspection. Once disconnected, it is crucial to check the voltage output from the sensor. The expected output in IG mode should be approximately 5 volts. This measurement is fundamental in determining whether the sensor is functioning properly or if there is a fault within the sensor itself. If the readings are normal, it indicates that the sensor itself is likely the cause of the problem. Conversely, if the voltage output is abnormal, the issue could reside in the associated circuits or even the TCM. Accurate voltage readings provide necessary insights into the condition of the sensor and other key components involved in the system. In the fourth troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the TCM, specifically the connector and its associated wiring. Ensure the TCM 50P connector is disconnected alongside the CVT drive pulley speed sensor connector to facilitate this inspection. Carefully check for any shorts or open circuits in the wiring. It's important to note that any presence of shorts or open connections can lead to failure in the signal transmission from the sensor to the TCM. Utilize appropriate wire inspection methods to determine the integrity of the connections, specifically looking for resistances less than 1 ohm in critical circuits. These checks are vital for ensuring that the circuits are operating as intended, further clarifying the path of diagnosis. Identifying faulted wiring can lead to a full resolution of the DTC. The final troubleshooting step involves a comprehensive inspection of the TCM itself. If the previous tests have yielded normal results regarding the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and associated circuits, the next logical step is to investigate the TCM for possible faults. The inspection should focus on identifying any signs of malfunction that could lead to erroneous readings or failures in communication with the sensor. If defects within the TCM are confirmed, this component may need to be replaced to rectify the issue and clear the DTC. Accurate identification of a faulty TCM can be critical in maintaining reliable transmission performance. This step finalizes the proactive diagnostic approach, ensuring that all elements have been scrutinized for optimal vehicle functionality. After completing the necessary repairs based on your findings, the final verification step is crucial. Start by re-inspecting all connections to ensure that they are secure and properly attached, including those of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the TCM. Once the connectors are properly reattached, it's time to conduct a test run of the vehicle. Observe the transmission behavior while driving to guarantee that the symptoms have been resolved and the DTC no longer reappears. This practical test will validate the repair work done and ensure that the system operates smoothly. Verification of repairs also helps in preventing potential future issues, reinforcing confidence in the vehicle's operational reliability. Preventive maintenance is essential for the longevity and reliability of your vehicle's CVT system. Regular inspections of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor can help identify potential issues before they lead to significant failures. Ensuring that all electrical connections remain clean and free from corrosion will further support optimal performance. Scheduling periodic diagnostics can help catch any hidden problems while they are still manageable. By being proactive in maintenance, you can prolong the life of your transmission setup and ensure more consistent driving experiences. Simple measures can translate into substantial savings and help maintain the vehicle in peak operational condition. In conclusion, DTC P0793 signifies a critical problem regarding the CVT drive pulley speed sensor, which can lead to impaired vehicle performance if not addressed properly. Diagnosing this DTC entails a series of steps, including inspection of the sensor, connections, and TCM. Proper execution of these steps ensures accurate identification of the underlying issue, allowing for effective repairs. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in mitigating future problems and keeping the transmission system functioning reliably. By staying on top of inspections and conducting timely repairs, vehicle reliability is enhanced significantly. Remember, well-maintained vehicles often exhibit fewer issues, leading to a smoother and safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.